So there's the trailer standing. I'm just gonna park here. Okay. How's it, Lucky? You're good? You're quick, eh?
Yeah, but we are just having a little bit of a problem with the soup because they have to cut it short as it was long.
Do they have to still do it now?
Yeah, they
Okay, still busy. It's okay. How long do they think it's gonna take?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. It's fine. I'll wait. It's fine. We can go through the rest so long. So yeah, there's everything in there. There is the 2 fans. There's the winch, and you just use these buttons to, but it can't go down with before the awning. But it's fine. Let me just go through it with the awning quickly. So, apart from these ropes, I can stand quite comfortable. With the height, it's comfortable. So, it's not that bad. It can work like it is. Okay, that's nice.
Pick it up here.
So this bracket is just higher. It's just a bolt loose here. Okay, I'm gonna fasten that one still. Okay, and this one. Yeah. Okay. 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 Let's close it up. So Lucky is helping us here quickly. Bit of wind blowing. That's nice, yeah. Okay, so they call this the 360 awning. Okay, so it fit nice at the front here. And then the bed. I think that one still looks in there. Okay.
I'm gonna give you pegs. I just now just read there. I'm gonna give you pegs for the ground. For now, I did use this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's just loosening these.
Because I can't put the pegs there on the.
Yeah, on the road here. The tar.
So what you? Someone's gonna put this here and a peg down.
Yeah.
Down. Then put the pole up for the tension just to make it tight.
Yes. Yes.
So it doesn't matter where you started the peg or in front.
Okay.
Because, yeah, obviously. So I'm gonna
Loose it there. on top of each other. Okay.
Then I'm gonna
Lift it up.
only with the first one.
Okay.
This is what we do, only with the first one.
Only the first one.
Then I'm gonna take this strip, then I'm gonna connect it.
Put it in there. Tighten it. And then it comes in. Okay, so just the first one does that. Okay. And the other side. Clip it in there. Okay. Those poles, yeah, they need to go down, yeah. Okay. So just roll it up. Okay. Done. That one is done. Okay, so we just wait for the Bundu suite, then we can see how that goes. So there's the ladder, fans is there. It's sharp. It's just tightening those bolts there. Just check all the bolts underneath.
Didn't use that plane of ours. Remember I told you I'm gonna put those plates. I didn't put them in. So what I did push these bolts from the outside to the inside because that plate was going to have longer bolts. So, I saw here we're gonna push up the table.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, sure. Yeah, there's a table coming in here, so that's fine. Yeah.
So let's take out the ladder. So the ladder you're gonna take it out from the office.
Okay. hooks in there, and then you can adjust the length. Okay, and then from there you can climb in and do whatever is necessary.
I've got USB and the lights are supported on the inside. And the
Yeah, there's the USBs and stuff is in here.
USB is the bottom one there.
Yeah, I see there. It's there. Yeah, so it's there. Okay.
Let's check the fans are working.
There's the fans. Okay.
The lights.
The light, yeah, it's running. Okay.
Got 2 pockets inside.
Okay. Yeah, 2 pockets. Okay. And then this, are we going to wait for this for the other thing before we go down?
We can drop.
Is it? Can we drop it?
We can drop so that I can show you how the annex works.
Oh, that thing. Okay. Okay, must I drop it? Okay, there it's going. So we're not gonna wait, but it folds in nicely. And literally within a few seconds, it's done.
I would like us to drop through that.
Which, yeah, you just need to get all these things in.
This thing along the street.
So we turn the trailer around, so now we're waiting for the Bundu suite. They had to cut a bit shorter, but this is basically what it looks like. So we will install solar a bit later. We made these brackets for the table, so that we are going to do. We made these brackets for the roof rack.